Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Today, we're looking at an electric fan with a common but annoying issue. The oscillation isn't working. The airflow is perfectly normal, but as you can see, the head is stuck in one position and won't rotate. After opening the base and testing the oscillation motor separately, I found that the motor itself is fine. This means the problem lies deep within the control circuit. In this video, I'll show you how I traced the fault to a blown TRIAC thyristor on the board and how we restored the full movement of this fan. Let's dive into the repair.